video. So first thing we're gonna do is remove the disconnect the battery. All right, so we disconnect the negative cable for the battery. We're gonna loosen, disconnect the air mass airflow sensor. That's that. So these, this is 10 millimeters, just so we can slide this off. And this one back here. I don't want to get too crazy with it. Then that thing can come off. I think this we can just slide that up like that. Air filter housing. Pop that up. Let's see what else we got. All right, it was a clamp here that just came loose. This, we don't need to do nothing but flip that up. Air filter looks good. All right, boom. Now we got our spark plugs, our coils, where we can see them. All right, dipstick, because we really don't need to get that out of the way, but we're gonna get that out of the way. All right, so we're gonna disconnect the first one. Slides off, and these are already in this housing, the wiring housing, so this kind of keeps it in place so you don't get confused. Yeah, I could disconnect this hose too. Just get this out of the way. Slide that right there. Put that down. Well, find somewhere to tuck it. Pause. All right, there it is. All right. And slide this one up also. Put that back behind there. And this was in the way again, so we're gonna put this down there. Hope we don't forget it. Okay. All right, so we got our coils disconnected, 1, 2, and 3. And I want to say that these are 10 millimeters. Bam. Looks like I wanted to say the right thing. I said the right thing. Slide that right. Bro. It's like really in the way, but it's in my way. Twist it around. Let's get it off. Put it right there. All right, so we're back. We're gonna remove the first 10 millimeters. Twist it, pull it up, inspect. No oil or nothing like that on it, so it's good. And I got myself a new tool too. This right here is swivel and it's magnetic for the spark plugs. So perfect. Let's get an extension on here. Got an extension on here now. So now slide gently. Back it out. All right, spark plug out. Look at that. Yeah, it's time to change that one. All right, so off camera what I did is I put a little anti-seize on my threads. Careful not to put it up here. This is supposed to be at 0.4. I was looking for my spark plug tool to measure the gap measure tool, but I couldn't find it, so oh well. I'm gonna trust them. Got the Denzos, and we're gonna put a little bit of dielectric grease. Last time I did it, I put it down here and pushed it down, but this time I think I'm gonna just put it around the edge. Let me get dielectric, right? And so, and normally I wear gloves, but today, thugging it out. Just take a little bit. I'm just gonna put this right around here, around the bottom part. You don't want to put it on the cathode. See, that's why I wear gloves. I got the anti-seize on my hands, but it'll be all right. Put a little bit more on here. All right, so now when we place the plug back in, we'll go easy as magnetic. So and this part, I do it hand tight first. So go in carefully, like when you play operation. You don't want to cross thread it. Okay, so that's that. And we want to torque it 23 pounds. 23 pounds. All right, 23 pounds. And we want to also inspect this, make sure this gasket is on there. You don't want no moisture get down in there. Push it in, same way, twist it. Should connect. All right, put some anti-seize on the bolt that holds the okay, and I start everything, I hand tighten it, so I don't want to cross thread anything. All right, boom, one down, two to go on this side. But that's it for the passenger side though, as far as replacing the spark plugs. 1, 2, and 3. Passenger side complete. All I gotta do now is put the air cleaner. I don't know why I can't think today. Y'all know what this is, the air filter housing. We'll put that back together, and that's that. And while you're here, if you want, you check out. We can hear and make sure this ain't got no carbon buildup, and this one is clean, pristine, very good. And if you did, you just spray some in there and clean it out. All right, KW 5150, passenger side on the Lexus is350, passenger side complete. And that took 17 minutes, and that's with me BSing and rambling around. Let's go.